Are your image line apps crashing due to the Fruity Parametric EQ 64 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. I recommend the automated system scan for Fruity Parametric EQ 64 module to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Fruity Parametric EQ 64 module, the 64-bit processing engine for the Fruity Parametric EQ plugin within FL Studio, enabling frequency shaping, filtering, and spectral visualization. Missing components can prevent proper EQ reconstruction, causing projects to load with missing plugin warnings. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Fruity Parametric EQ X64 is commonly required by games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy DirectX runtime files, while updating your GPU drivers resolves OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA dependencies. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Fruity Parametric EQ 64 module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system countermanifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Most individual downloads of Fruity Parametric EQ 64 module DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Fruity Parametric EQ 64 module. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Fruity Parametric EQ 64 module, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.